Hi, my name is Kendall and I'm from Davao City. You know that Rajan is her girlfriend is Leilani. So me secret lang muna. Okay? Kay Elijah ay si Richard. Vladimir si Casey. Ay, wrong. Vladimir, Jenny Rose. Ba Joseph, Lady Beth. Sino bang nag-iisa? Ako lang, wala akong nasabi. Secret lang muna. Okay. That's our story.
Abot kami.
Bye-bye.
Ay, sakit. Lain na kids.